paying? Popcorn. Popcorn. This one right here that just ran over to me is Snow Angel. Hi, Snow. And Bianca. That's Bianca right there. Hi, Bianca. What are you crazies doing? Are you guys getting ready to investigate and go out in the garage? You're not allowed. You're not allowed out in the garage. That was Eden. She's a little hormonal. She doesn't know these babies. Hi, kids. Hey, kiddos. Come here. Come here, kids. Come here. What you doing? Hey. You playing? Are you playing? That was Snow Angel. This is Bianca over here. Get it, B. Get it. Oh. Bianca's standing up now. B. Bianca. What you doing? Oh. Okay, guys. Get it.